Let's make some chicken and cheese bread in the air fryer. We will start with 3 cups of plain all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, brown or white, whatever you use at home, and a half teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of milk powder, half cup of warm milk. Mix everything. Add warm water gradually and knead a soft dough. I've kneaded a soft dough. Now I'm gonna cover it and let it rest for an hour. For the marinade, I'm gonna take 1.5 tablespoons of thick Greek yogurt, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of dried parsley, pepper, a teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix everything. I've taken 1 chicken breast here. Pour the marinade over. Coat the chicken really well. I'm gonna cook this in the air fryer 20 minutes, 200 degrees Celsius. I was thinking that I forgot something, and yes, I did. I forgot the oil, so I'm gonna add like 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix it. It's been in for only 3 minutes anyway, so it should be okay. I'm gonna go back in. It's been 20 minutes. I'm gonna flip the chicken, and this is gonna go back in for another 10 minutes. I'm going to use half of the chicken because I'm just gonna make 2 small breads for my son. So I've shredded the chicken. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of cream cheese into it, some peppers, a tablespoon of mayonnaise, a little bit of chili garlic sauce, everything. So that's the filling. This filling can also be used in sandwiches. Preheat your air fryer for about 5 minutes, 200 degrees Celsius. Just gonna shape these into boats. This is optional, but if you have some pizza sauce, you can get it from Sainsbury. Asda has their pizza sauce as well. I bought this from an Asian supermarket. Spread the pizza sauce. I'm gonna fill it up. This is egg yolk and milk. I'm gonna glaze the sides of the bread. I'm gonna sprinkle some sesame seeds on it, some cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese, chili flakes. This is optional. Oregano. The air fryer is preheated. The first bread going in. This is the second one. I'm gonna put these in the air fryer. I'll keep the temperature to 180 degrees and I'm gonna have a look after 10 minutes. This is how the bread looks after 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius.